A plus B to the power of 7. What it gives me? 7. What will be the coefficients first? 7C0, 7C1, 7C2, 7C3, 7C4, 7C5, 7C6, 7C7. That will be A to the power of 7, B to the power of 0, A to the power of 6, B to the power of 1, A to the power of 5, B to the power of 2, A to the power of 4, B to the power of 3, A to the power of 3, B to the power of 4, A to the power of 2, B to the power of 5, A to the power of 1, B to the power of 6, A to the power of 0, B to the power of 7. Okay. Now you have this expansion. Now let's just find the value of these coefficients, and we know that these guys are symmetrical, right? So we know 7C0 will be same as 7C7, right? That will be 7 factorial upon 0 factorial, 7 factorial, that's 1. Then you have 7C1, 7C6, so that's 7 factorial upon 1 factorial and 6 factorial, that's 7. And 7C2 will be same as 7C5, 7 factorial, 2 factorial upon 5 factorial. And then you have 6, you have 2 factorial, you have 21. Then you have 7C3 will be equal to 7C4, that is 7 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. 7, 6, 5. In the denominator you have 3 factorial, and that's your 35. Let's just plug in these values. So this will become 1 a to the power of 1 a to the power of 7, b to the power of 0, 7 a to the power of 6, b to the power of 1, 21 a to the power of 5, b to the power of 2, 35 a to the power of 4, b to the power of 3, then 21, then again 35 a to the power of 3, b to the power of 4, 21, a to the power of 2, b to the power of 5, plus 7, a to the power of 1, b to the power of 6, 1, a to the power of 0, b to the power of 7. Right, now let's just expand this. So what we are getting? A to the power of 7, 7, a to the power of 6b, plus 21, a to the power of 5b square, plus 35, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 5, 35, a to the power of 3, b to the power of 4, 21 a square, b to the power of 5, 7a, 7a, b to the power of 6, and b to the power of 7. Okay,